Hey yo, what is going on, guys? We got today another video. Today we're gonna install the LED side markers on the Scat, but I'm about to go get my college parking pass. But here's a cool story. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy the view. We're about to go get a we're getting a college parking pass, and after that I'm gonna install these LEDs, so let's go. We're gonna swap these out because these are not tinted, and the light in there is like, it's just horrible. Like this one I actually tinted it, I just never did the back one. So let's go. All right, so I showed you how they were. Like the other ones, they're not tinted, right? These ones are like tinted, and they're gonna look really dope. I have to pre-thread these because these don't come in threaded. I already have my Mustang over there because I have the other tools in that car, so we're gonna use whatever we can, whatever we got. I think we got the right tools, hopefully. So okay, there's Neil's car right there. I'm gonna just park this right here because nobody parks here really, so we're good. So here we go. This is what I'm talking about. We're gonna pull these pins out and we're gonna pop this open, and then there's like the screws on the inside. I got the tool for that, but you do have to turn your wheel in towards, I don't know, in the opposite direction so you have enough space. And then back one's gonna be more difficult, but I guess we'll just have to figure that out as we go. And here he is. So what I bought was this little thing. I got it from the AutoZone, but hopefully this works. If not, I'm fucking screwed. But we're gonna pop these clips out real quick. So let's just do that real quick. I hate that thing flew through my wheel. All right, so we're gonna pop this one out. So we're just gonna pop like 3 or 4. Let's see which or how they work out better. There we go. And then probably need to remove this one right here. Yep, that one's out. All right, so that should be enough, I think. How the fuck? There we go. So this one right here, which is a T20. It's like the flat star looking one. Look at that. So it's one of those. Fucking goddamn bitch. Oh, it's getting looser. Let's go. So the bottom one's out. Get the top one out. Alright, there we go. Alright boys, there's the second screw out, and I'm gonna pop this out. Okay, perfect. Look at that. And then from here, you just pretty much it's just plug and play, right? So you can just easily take that out, pop it out, right? There you go. Probably might keep those just in case. And we're gonna put the new one on, and then we're gonna turn the car and make sure it works how it looks. Let me see if this is the right one. It is. So we have to give me the drill because I have to pre-drill this hole right here. So the same bit we used to take it out, what we're gonna do is put it in here, right? So like, motherfucker, I can't. There we go. And we're going to use this. There we go. That's in. I'll take it out. so it threaded it, right? So when we put it, yeah, don't do that, guys. That is not what you want to do. Just gonna plug it in. There we go. So now you want to turn the car on. There we go. See, it's like a white LED. It's gonna look a lot better at night. So this one works, so we're gonna put it on. There we go. And now we're gonna put these screws back in. So there we go. It's going in. Go. We'll pop that up on there. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. You see what I'm talking about, guys? That is a need. It's a must. It goes with their lights. And it goes with my headlights, right? And it just looks better, a lot better. All right, so now we're gonna pop the clips back in. So once that bottom piece is in like that, because when you're working on it, it's gonna pop out, and then you just pop this little thing in, because this motherfucking shit. There we go. You just gotta hit it, you know, be a little aggressive with it.
That's the bottom one.
All right, so there we go. And this is like the easiest part. And then we got the regular clips. Now we're gonna do rest of it. I'm not gonna record all of it, but I'll show you guys when I'm done. I'll record the back. So I'm gonna do the other side front, and then I'll record the back. So I removed all the clips. Well, 3 clips, right? It's the same thing as front. 1, 2, 3. Remove them, and then you gotta pop this open, just like the front one. Pretty sure it's gonna have like, yep, the same kind of concept. But oh, I know why it's gonna be hard.
The tire, yeah.
Oh god, it would be a good idea to get the small one, because if you get a big one, it's gonna be hard. Also, at the same time, if you lift the car, it will give you a little bit of space right here. All right, guys, we got it installed. This one was the hardest one for me, because like I'm not a left-handed, so this one's difficult when I like try to put my hand in there and try to unscrew it and screwing it, and it messed me up. But here we go. Oh, that's so satisfying. Here we go, and we're gonna turn the car on real quick. So I like it.
Look from here. Look at the back.
It's better than what it was before, for sure. It's not as bright as the Mustang. Looks good. Yeah, let me do it from this angle. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yo, what's up, guys? So let me just show you real quick the night, because these side markers look so much better at night. Like, they're insane. I love it. I love how they look. But here we go, look at that. You see, front one, back one right there, super bright. I love it. It's nice. Let me show you the back one real quick. There you go. And I'll show you the other side too, just for it, you know. But there you go. But yeah, definitely I recommend it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out. Yay!